1-0 fire.
It's seconds before the sonic boom reaches the observers. Footage from the high-speed cameras shows the helium tube shattering as the train speeds through it. And still shots reveal hypersonic shockwaves trailing in its wake. The snapshots also show the payload lifting off before it hits the target. The impact itself is so secret that the footage hasn't been released. Clocked at 10,430 kilometres an hour, it's a new world record. At these speeds, this train would, in theory, take just 2 minutes to travel from New York to Washington, D.C. And just over 25 minutes to cross America. Like the jet, high-speed rail is now capable of supersonic speeds. Soon, it could surpass it as the ultimate way to travel.